Hello students, this is Ashish Vegala from the electrical department. So today we will learn electrical drives in the specific utilization of electrical energy. Let's move to the content of this topic. So in this topic we will learn about the electrical drives, what are the parts of electrical drives, power modulator, control unit and the sensing unit. What are the advantages of electrical drives, and last we will learn what are the disadvantages of electrical drives. Let's see about the electrical drives. So system employed for the motion control are called the as drives. So it may be employed with any of the prime movers such as a diesel or petrol engines, gas, steam turbines, steam engine, hydraulic motors, electric motors for supplying a mechanical energy for a motion control. So drives employing electrical motor are called as electrical drives. Let's see the various parts of the electrical drives. So these are various parts of electrical drives. That is the source, power modulators, motors, load, sensing unit, control unit, and the input command. Let's see each of the parts in the brief. So first of the source will supply the electrical energy to the power modulator. Here the power modulator may be rectifier, inverter, cycloconverter, etc., which gives supply to the electrical motors, and such that the motor will rotate based on the principle of operation, and this motor is connected with the load such that the load will operate. Same time here we have connected sensing unit which will sense the speed of the load, and it will supply the speed in the form of electrical signal to the control unit such that the control unit will rectify the error and it will generate the error signal and it will supply to the power modulator. Let's see about the power modulator in the brief. So the power modulator regulates the output power of the source. It controls the power from the source to the motor in such a manner that motor transmits a speed torque characteristic required by the load. During the transient operation like starting, braking and the speed reversing, the excessive current drawn from the supply. This excessive current drawn from the source overload it or may cause a voltage drop. Hence the power modulator restricts the source and the motor current. The power modulator converts the energy according to the requirement of the motor. For example, if the source is DC and induction motor is used, then the power modulator converts the DC into the AC. It's called the inverter. It also selects the mode of the operation of the motor. For example, motoring or braking, etc. Let's see about the control unit. The control unit controls the power modulator which operates at a small voltage in the power levels. The control unit also operates the power modulator as desired. It also generates the commands for the protection of the power modulator and the motor, and input command signal which adjusts the operating point of a drive from an input to the control unit. Let's see about the sensing unit. It senses the certain drives. It senses the certain drive parameter like motor current and speed. It mainly required either for protection or for closed loop operation. Let's see the advantages of electrical drives. The first one is the electrical drives are available in the wide range of torque, speed as well as power. They are adaptable to almost an operating condition such as explosive and radioactive environment, submerged in liquid and vertical mounted and so on. The electrical drives doesn't pollute the environment. It can operate in all four quadrants of torque speed characteristics. They can be started instantly, can be fully loaded. There is no need to refuel or warm up the motor like as a diesel engine. So they have a flexible control characteristics and can be employed to the automatically control of the drive. Let's see various disadvantages of electrical drives. The first one is the power failure completely disable the whole of the system, such that the application of the drive is limited because it cannot use in place where the power supply is not available. It can causes the noise pollution. The initial cost of the system is very high. Let's see question for assignment. The first one is explain parts of the electrical drives. Second is explain advantages and disadvantages of electrical drives. Thank you.
If you like this video, please subscribe and like our YouTube channel LJP Electrical, and don't forget to click on the bell icon to get latest video update fast. If you like this video, please subscribe and like our YouTube channel LJP Electrical, and don't forget to click on the bell icon to get latest video update fast.